Renewed Bitcoin market swoon has put price support at $13,000 in Crosshairs. Technical analysis: Bitcoin has now broken below $18,000, which was an area of support in recent weeks. The next levels to watch are $13,500 and $12,500, analysts at Morgan Stanley said. The Bitcoin market has recently awakened from a prolonged slumber, putting bears in the driver's seat. That's the message from experts studying chart patterns, who now see a high chance of Bitcoin sliding to $14,000 or below. The top cryptocurrency fell 22% last week, hitting a two-year low of $15,600 as FTX's collapse dented investor confidence. The decline marked a downside break of months of horizontal or sideways trading above $18,000, opening doors for a notable sell-off. From a technical perspective, Bitcoin has now broken below $18,000, which was an area of support in recent weeks. The next levels to watch are $13,500, the 2019 high, and $12,500, the 3Q20 high, strategists at Morgan Stanley wrote in a note to clients on Friday. Range breakdowns or breakouts usually bring a notable decline or rally. According to technical analysis theory, an asset builds potential energy during consolidation, and this